The People's National Party PNP is intensifying campaign activities for the next local government election, although a date has not been announced. PNP President and Opposition Leader Mark Golding was in St. Elizabeth on Saturday, where newly minted Chairman Curran Spencer is hoping to bring the region to victory. Kelisha Williams has more.
It's the face some would not expect to be chairing a People's National Party region at this time. But Curran Spencer, the former junior energy minister who battled corruption charges for years, has been leading campaign activities in Manchester and St. Elizabeth. He was made region chairman a few weeks ago.
In Region 5, we're well positioned and we accept our responsibility that we're going to have to be the catalyst of change, the catalyst of the new energy for the new PNP that will emerge.
And he appears ready to ensure victory for the People's National Party in the next local government election.
We recognize that there is no substitute for work in politics, and we're going to lead the way in terms of doing the work that's necessary to bring back the People's National Party to power.
Mr. Spencer left Gordon House in 2011, years after he was charged for fraud related to the Cuban light bulb saga in 2008. In 2014, he was freed of all charges. But now PNP President Mark Golding, who was in St. Elizabeth on Saturday, said he trusts Region 5, which includes Manchester and St. Elizabeth, will be stronger under Mr. Spencer's leadership.
And the energy is palpable, and we are looking forward to doing very well in this region in the upcoming local government election. So today was just to bring all the candidates together, both the sitting councillors and caretakers.
Which is why Mr. Golding is confident that although the date for the next local government election has not been announced, the PNP will be ready.
I'm very optimistic. I feel we can do it. I think we have some excellent candidates, and we have strong regional leadership now, and I feel that we'll be doing very well.
He explained that the plan going forward is to ensure unity.
We're working to build the party. We're working to build our reputation, our image, our connection with the Jamaican people. I think everybody who wants to be on the train is welcome, and I think people are getting on board.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.